I hope this session will create lots of positive thoughts in the mind and it will create a great enthusiasm. And in the last, a little story, the last means 1 minute I will take in this story, I will just dedicate here. Once upon a time, a blind man was going in temple every day, and there were more people. They were laughing at him. Hey, this is the blind man, why he is coming in the temple every day? He can't see the God. But one person came to the blind man and said, hey, why are you coming to the temple? You are blind. You don't have eyes. Why are you coming? Tell me. And people are laughing at you when you are coming in the temple. That blind man said a very good thoughts. The blind man said, I can't see the God, but I am going to the temple. God can see to me. So please, your hands stand up for Abdullah sir. And now I request to our principal sir, please, our guest teacher, Muhammad Abdullah sir. Please come forward. Now, I would like to call Principal Sir for few words. For few.
Today's speaker, Muhammad Abdullah, our English department faculty members, teachers, and my dear students. A very good afternoon to you all. So here you can see the name of the workshop is English Communication and Interview Skills. So nowadays, if you observe the scenario of engineering students, everybody, not only few I am saying it, so many members they are joining which are not belongs to their field of study, and they are joining the positions which are not up to their field of engineering. It is due to lack of projecting themselves in front of others. So being an engineering student, you need to deal so many people as an engineer to give your knowledge or share your knowledge to them to make them work. So you need to have a good communication skills. Then only you can project whatever you have. The lack of communication skills will not give you any good position in your career. Why? Because you have so much of subject. You have a subject knowledge and you have technical skills and everything you have. But you people are not able to project yourself in front of the interviewer where you are sitting in the interview. So it makes nothing in sense. So it is very much required to learn how to project yourself. Not only your subject knowledge, you need to have a knowledge how to project yourself in front of the other person. So that means your communication should be more effective so that you can project yourself, that you know something in your field. So I have observed that this workshop will give some importance to my students. Whenever the English department faculty came to me and told about this workshop, I was very happy to have this type of a speaker who can give a good knowledge in an interview skills as well as English communication. Okay, I accepted their request immediately, and then I have given the permission to conduct such type of workshop here. And I am very much thankful to Muhammad Abdullah sir. Actually, we are very much honored to have you here to make some important skills which may lead a good career for my students. Okay, so try.